Hi, I'm Phil McKnight from Breville, and this is our latest coffee grinder, the Dose Control Pro. When you're making any type of coffee, whether it's espresso, drip filter, or French press, you need to be able to control the grind amount. If you can't control the grind amount, you'll never be able to make consistently great coffee. At the heart of this grinder is a precision electronic timer. It's adjustable in 1-second increments that allow you to get consistent, precise dose every time you grind. The grinder also features stainless steel conical burrs. The efficient blade design of conical burrs means less heat transfer during the grinding process. It also delivers a coffee particle size with greater surface area. This translates into a balanced, more rounded cup of coffee. The Dose Control Pro also has 60 individual grind settings, so it allows you to brew from espresso all the way to French press. So the grinder also comes with 2 portafilter cradles. This allows you to dose directly into your portafilter mess-free. We also have an adjustable razor dosing tool for precisely controlling the dose when you're extracting espresso. And if you like to make drip filter coffee, you can dose directly into a paper filter or a gold tone filter. One thing you need to remember is it doesn't matter what type of grinder or what brand of coffee grinder you own, if you're not using freshly roasted quality coffee, you'll never be able to make great tasting coffee. Coffee's at its peak flavour potential 5 to 20 days after roast, so it's really important when you're buying coffee to look for a roasted on date on the side of the bag. The Dose Control Pro delivers a precise amount of coffee so you can make consistently great coffee every time.